Hey friends! Welcome to our channel. So today we're going to be playing with Plumber Pants. So let's start making. So we have water. Just to let you know, this is not clean water. We just filled it up inside this water bottle. We do not waste water like that. So we're going to be putting this water inside here. Hopefully. It's falling. Okay, we're going to put this back on. So how you play is you're supposed to grab these tools and you're supposed to put them inside without the plants falling all the way down. Or no, since they fall all the way down, it's going to spray. So I'm going to be the first player. I'm going to try first. So hopefully I don't get wet. the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos. Bye.
Bloopers.
Hi friends. So today we are going to be playing Plumber Pants. So let's start playing. So we already built it, and we're going to have to add some water. So there's this, and it's open.